If flowers can bloom in the desert, why can't you? In the heart of the desert, where the sun is relentless and the soil is dry, flowers still find a way to bloom. Kahit parang imposibleng mabuhay sila sa ganitong kondisyon, pilit silang tumutubo. Reach for the sky at nagdadala ng kulay sa isang lugar na akala mo wala ng pag-asa. At first, it seems impossible. How can something so delicate survive in a place so harsh? Pero ang sikreto, hindi sila naghihintay ng perfect na kondisyon. They just bloom where they are planted. Ganon din sa buhay. Minsan hinihintay natin ang tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon o tamang lugar bago tayo kumilos. Pero ang totoo, ang pinakamagandang bagay sa buhay madalas tumutubo sa isang hindi inaasahang lugar. Strength is not about having the perfect environment. It's about making the most of where you are, pushing through and choosing to bloom despite the challenges. If a flower can bloom in the desert, so can you. Whatever season you are in, keep growing, keep pushing, and soon, the world will see your beauty. Anong pangarap ang gusto mong mamulaklak ngayong taon? I-comment mo na yan at sabay nating hintayin ang pag-usbong nito.